The National Cybersecurity Academy here at the University of South Wales allows us to bring industry practice into the classroom with support from the National Cybersecurity Centre.
As an academic centre of excellence in cybersecurity, we work with a wide variety of companies and organisations, both public and private, which support the development of students' learning through projects. These projects have a variety of different themes, from drones to digital forensics, mobile services, network security, operational technology, and finally social engineering.
I think cybersecurity has become such an important field for businesses and governments because everything is done digitally nowadays, and with that come so many more risks and so many more security situations that you need to be aware of.
We specialise in 2 degree types. The first is digital forensics and the second is applied cybersecurity. Unlike a traditional university with examinations, we focus on skills and experience development.
Industry partnerships and collaborations are very important inside the classroom, because if we don't know what's happening outside the classroom, then the theory becomes irrelevant.
The companies that we work with, including Bridewell, the ONS, Digital Healthcare Wales, Esports Wales, all these different companies and more, they are looking for people who have the skill set that they can then develop and use within their organisation. And what we do at the university is ensure that students have those experiences, that develop those skills, and essentially are more employable and ultimately become the better professional as they move on.
The teaching staff here at University of South Wales come from a very diverse background. We have industry experts, we have academic experts, inclusive of research background. Why is this important? Because in a classroom, we're here to learn, we're here to teach, we're here to impart knowledge to our students, and this is what the Teaching Academy brings to the classroom.
Cybersecurity is a fantastic subject to look at studying because it's in demand right now from both large and small organisations. There are a lack of people with the skill sets that the subject helps you develop, and they want people like you to help them progress, be better and more resilient in the face of cyber threats they're facing.